English for Iraq, 6th Primary, Activity Book, page 74 and page 75. Unit 6, Lesson 2.
Listen to the recipe. Use the verbs in the box to complete the instructions.
Instructions. 1.
Brush the flatbread with oil. Bake in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes.
2. Take the flatbread out of the oven. 3.
Grate the cheese.
4. Spread the grated cheese on the flatbread. 5.
Peel and slice the onions thinly.
6. Wash the tomatoes. Slice them thinly and put them on top of the cheese. 7.
Cut some green or black olives in half and put them on top of the cheese and tomatoes.
8. If you like, you can add some peeled and sliced garlic, some pepper, some fresh herbs. 9.
Put the flatbread back in the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes. Watch it carefully. When it gets gold brown, remove it from the oven immediately.
10. Serve to your family and friends. Enjoy your flatbread pizza. Listen and read.
When we cook, we should weigh the ingredients. We use grams and kilograms. We can use spoons too.
When we do maths, we often measure size. How high? How wide? How long? We use millimeters, centimeters, and meters.
When we travel, we usually want to know how far we are going. We use kilometers.
We write these words with short forms called abbreviations. For cooking,
G, gram, kg, kilogram, SP, spoon,
for maths,
MM, millimetre, cm, centimetre, m, metre,
for travelling,
km, kilometre.
write the short form, abbreviation, under each photo. cm, centimetre, sp, spoon, km, kilometre, kg, kilogram,